Okay, we've got a bit of a different one today. We're at Shinjuku. That's not different. But bereft of ideas, I've decided to do a lap on the JR Yamanote line. It's supposed to take about an hour. To make it a little bit more interesting, I'm going to endeavour to get at least one photo per stop, but not actually get off the train, unless the old toilet stop is required. It won't be quite a lap because, I don't know, I think the card will get confused if I get off the same place I got on, so I'll have to get off a stop early. So I'm planning to go clockwise, just seems a sensible thing, which means first stop will be Shin Okubo, and last stop where I get off will be Yoyogi. So there won't be much talking, because of course talking on trains is not the thing here, so we'll just let the announcements, platform and train announcements wash over us, and hopefully manage a decent photo at each. I'm wearing the neck mount with the camera because I just thought that would be less obtrusive. 766 left, won't be a problem today. Here's an interesting outfit. Well, already the concept has taken off. Train there, oh, it's about to go, so I missed that one. In fact, I don't even like standing waiting for the train with somebody behind me. Apparently non-peak hour, it's a train every 4 to 5 minutes, peak hour every 2 minutes. Already enjoying myself.
Yamanote Line Loop. This is the Yamanote Line train bound for Ikebukuro.
新大久保。ご乗車ありがとうございます。
The next station is Takanagawama. JY15. Please set your mobile phone to silent mode and refrain from talking on the phone.
ご乗車ありがとうございます。
Please stand clear of the closing doors.
ネジのオレンジが右側です。The doors on the right side will open. The next station is Ikebukuro. Nextはオレンジが右側です。次は巣鴨、オレンジが右側です。The doors on the right side will open.
巣鴨。ご乗車ありがとうございます。
駒込、オレンジは右側です。JY10. The doors on the right side will open.
エンジンブロックまでお下げください。For your safety, please stand behind rail.
次は田端、オレン 出口は左側です。The doors on the left side will open.
ご乗車ありがとうございます。
The next station is 西日暮里 JY8. The doors on the left side will open. 次は日暮里、日暮里。Please change it for the Joban line, the Keisei line, and the Nippori Toneri liner. 次はうぐいす谷。The next station is 上野 JY5. Please change it for the Shinkansen, the Utsunomiya line, the Takasaki line, the Joban line, the Ueno Tokyo line, the Ginza subway line, and the Hibiya subway line. 次は御徒町、御徒町、オレンジは左側です。The next station is 秋葉原 JY3. The doors on the left side will open. Please change it for the Sobu Line local service, the Hibiya subway line, and the Tsukuba Express line.
ご乗車ありがとうございます。
次は神田、神田。次は東京、東京、オレンジは左側です。新幹線、東海道線、横須賀線、東武快速線、京葉線、地下鉄丸ノ内線はお乗り換えです。The next station is 東京。次は有楽町、有楽町、オレンジは日比谷 subway line and the 有楽町 subway line. The next station is 新橋。モノレール羽田空港線、都営地下鉄大江戸線はお乗り換えです。The next station is 浜松町 and the 大江戸 subway line.
Olha, as coisas emagreceram. É que escolhi.
次は田町、田町、オレンジは左側です。京浜東北線はお乗り換えです。次は高輪ゲートウェイ、高輪ゲートウェイ。
高輪ゲートウェイ、高輪ゲートウェイ。ご乗車ありがとうございます。
The next station is 品川 JY25. The doors on the left side will open. Please change your for the Shinkansen, the Tokaido line, the Yokosuka line, and the Keisei line. 次は大崎、オレンジは次は五反田、五反田。次は目黒、目黒。The next station is JY21. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your floor, the Shonan Shinjuku line, the Saikyo line, and the Hibiya subway line. The next station is Shibuya, JY20. The doors on the right side will open. Please change your floor, the Tokyo Toyoko line, the Tokyo Jeietoshi line, the Keio Inokashima line, the Ginza subway line, the Hanzomo subway line, and the Futoshi subway line. Please watch your step when you leave the train. 原宿 JY19. The doors on the left side will open. The next station is Yoyogi, JY18. The doors on the left side will open. Please change your floor, the 209 local service, for Sendagaya and Yotsuya and the Oedo subway line.
Anyway, I'm not really sure that I have to go out the station here, but I think I just will, just so we know how much it costs. I think it should be minimal, 178. Can't remember too many great photos, but one or two will be okay. Video-wise, a bit worried about that sticker on the door obstructing everything. So let's go out, north exit. Have to try, as it says, Yoyogi Station.